ese cabrón. Where'd he go? Oh, it's on my face. Quítate la verga, quítate la verga. Oh my goodness. Why did you get in the way? Why did you get in the way? Oh no, 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 no. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see it. It's 7 o'clock. We're gonna lose everything. Oh, what the heck is that?
I don't know.
It's not scanning yet, so I don't know what it is. Oh, there's more. We gotta go, we gotta go. Did you hit me or did it hit me?
I think it hit me.
We gotta go, just go. Oh shit. What is going on? Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh goodness. Don't tell me you dead as hell. Come on, girl. Oh goodness.
Bitch, go. That was scary.
This is not the kind of SMR I wanted to do. I'm scared. Valió verga, valió verga, valió verga. Don't you ever... No, vete la verga, vete la verga, vete la verga.
You're supposed to be silent.
Okay. Oh shit, the guy. Pinche puto,
Confirm. Stop. Well,
oh goodness.
No se mira nada. No mira acá, vámonos.
Oh shit, oh shit, shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Oh, ¿qué era eso? ¿Qué es eso?
I don't know. I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, shit, it's behind me, it's behind me. Oh, whatever the fuck it is behind me. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, run, 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 run.
I'm scared. Wait,
Oh, I'm dead.
so fucking scared. I'm so fucking scared.
I can't move.
I'm so fucking
Okay,
scared.
okay. Oh.
Oh my god, ¿dónde estás? ¡Ah!
I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was. Shit, it's behind me, Oh, whatever the fuck it is behind me. Oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Wait, I'm so fucking scared. I'm so fucking scared. I ran. Oh my god, Ubaldo, ¿dónde estás?
Oh, yeah, I'm not reading all that. I barely made it out of high school. A la madre. Oh shit, what the? Oh, he got you. Okay.
Wait. Did you already jump?
Yeah, I fell. Goodness gracious.
Have you seen Drake? His Shlong? I haven't seen it. What's the meme?
Oh my goodness. Oh.
You're thinking of Drake.
I didn't think I was gonna make that.
I don't wanna do that.
Oh shit, no. Oh! Oh my goodness.
Come over here.
Oh my goodness.
You seem much clean. And you wanted to go where? Alright, let's start the ship.
Wherever you wanna go, honestly.
You said the Giants, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You better not do that clown horn. I'm gonna smack you with the shovel. Oh my goodness, go. Oh fuck, go. Puta. Come on, bitch, come on. Oh my goodness. No!
I think he did.
Oh my goodness.
No. Por acá.
Oh shit. Oh my goodness, woman. Oh fuck. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Can we jump over it?
Here we can go to this.
Oh.
I know.
Look at him.
Okay.
But
Tengo miedo.
fuck.
Just
Oh
walk
my
back.
goodness, he ran up right in front of my face. That's scary. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
We just walk backwards.
But where's the
No,
bomb?
para mí no.
Huh?
It was to your left.
Do you see
I'm
me?
right here, see.
Okay.
I'm in front of you. Y la pinche araña, bro.
Fuck. What do we do? I'm right behind you.
Okay.
Keep looking at him.
I am.
Come on. Keep walking. I'm gonna close the door on him. Keep walking. Fuck, hold on. Keep looking at him. Just keep looking at him. Don't look away.
Okay. Ah, you're pushing me. Hold on.
We're gonna have to
No,
jump.
you're okay.
We're gonna have to jump. There's literally no other way.
You're the one who's turning his back on him. Let me go in front of you. Hold on, move. Step back, because I'm gonna push you off by accident.
Okay. Keep watching the end.
Or maybe let's walk towards him and go in like a circle.
You think?
Like go around him.
All right. Let me go first. Back up. Keep keep going. Keep backing up. Keep backing up. No.
What was that?
Oh, he's right here in front of the door now.
Okay, never mind.
We can't go. Dang it.
Is
Alright.
there another door behind us?
It's a dead end. Oh my goodness.
Y luego la araña, no hombre,
Which way do we go? I'll keep looking at him, but
I'm scared.
what do we do? What do we do? I'm just gonna
Do
run
we
towards
just go
him.
forward?
Yeah, I'm just gonna run towards him. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh,
Oh, you can't pass by?
your mother's a hole. Excuse me,
Vente a
sir.
este lado. I'm right here. Okay.
Oh,
You're here. We're fired.
bye bye. This is freaking ridiculous.
But that's how it was in the beginning.
Oh my goodness. Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh shit, what is that? Córrele, 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 córrele.
I'm so scared.
What was that?
I don't know, but it was so loud and it was hurting my ear. Yo, why can't I go up? I can't go up. You go.
Freaking women. Oh shit, I can't go up either. Ooh, close it, 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 close it.
Go. Oh my god, hurry.
I did. Yeah, I did it.
It's right here.
It's on the thing, wasn't it?
Oh my god, it's so scary. I hated that.
This bitch. Why are we cleaning this up like if it's a fucking room?
You had fun, didn't you? This girl. Alright, you like. Oh, stop making a mess. Leave. Just leave. I'm gonna get rid of your freaking.
Your mother's a hole. What?